Carl Stuckey with Stuckey Tools. We're going to go over today with the Hail Light that you see in Chris's videos all the time. The Hail Light is kind of a culmination of all our years of cordless light experience. We were the first ones to come out with a cordless mini light, and then evolved into a Hail Light, now into our new wide cordless Hail Light. The Hail Light runs 3 strips, 5 to 6 hours plus on full power, has dimmer, batteries built in, so there's no cords to tangle in. Mesh is perfect with the never loose mount. You can spin that thing around freely and never have to worry about tangling cords. We also have an external power jack, so you can run it off of the charger for the battery or off a 12 volt like a car battery or in the car. The light has 6 strips. It's cool, warm, cool, warm, cool, warm. So you can change it kind of however you want. They're all standard. We offer red, green, and blue for the trim. So you can kind of alter it or tailor it to how your setup is. My personal preference is red and black, but you know, a lot of people like green and blue. You can purchase the light at stuckytools.com. It's $5.99 with battery and charger. Mounts separate. Thanks, Chris, for letting me on Dentless Touch. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook at Stuckey Tools.